A 19-year-old boy from class 12 just hacked into CBSE website.
So I accessed the portal. I started playing with the network.
And जिस तरह की vulnerability उसने expose करी हैं, it's kind of very embarrassing to Certain and CBSE both. Recently, there has been a very big change in CBSE. They have shifted to digital OSM. It means जैसे पहले पेपर फिजिकली चेक होता था, अब वो सारे पेपर डायरेक्टली स्कैन होकर के पोर्टल पे अपलोड होते हैं एंड एग्जामिनर्स कैन लॉग इन टू दैट पोर्टल एंड डू द इवेल्युएशन डिजिटली. So out of curiosity, this 19-year-old security researcher Nisarg Adhikari tested the portal and found multiple security vulnerabilities. And the most important thing, the severity of these vulnerabilities were ranging from high to critical in nature. For an example, there was one vulnerability in which master password was hard-coded in JS file and anybody can see it. Now with that master password, anybody can log in into any examiner's account and make changes into the marks. And सबसे crazy part बताऊं, निसर्ग अधिकारी ने ये सारी vulnerabilities Certain को बहुत पहले ही रिपोर्ट कर दी थी. But as usual, Certain ने सिर्फ default response देकर के छोड़ दिया and these vulnerabilities were remain unpatched all the time. And after waiting for a long time, Nisarg decided to publish all these vulnerabilities on his blog, and that's how we got to know about this vulnerability. जैसे ही ये न्यूज वायरल हो गई एंड इट गॉट कवर्ड बाय मल्टीपल मीडिया चैनल्स, देन सीबीएसई की तरफ से एक स्टेटमेंट आया. एज पर सीबीएसई ये सारी वल्नरेबिलिटीज वैलिड हैं, ट्रू हैं, लेकिन जिस वेबसाइट पे निसर्ग ने वल्नरेबिलिटीज निकाली हैं, दैट वेबसाइट इज अ टेस्ट वेबसाइट एंड उस पे सारे डेटा जो पड़े हुए हैं वो सैंपल इंफॉर्मेशन है. देयर इज नो रियल इंफॉर्मेशन, रियल पीआईए डेटा ओवर दैट वेबसाइट. And honestly बताऊं तो no one can verify this claim because this website has been taken down by CBSE and it's not reachable anymore. However, we are security researchers, so we can definitely look into the vulnerability in details. Let me show you. So the first vulnerability was related to master password in JS file. So what Nisarg found that on the web application there is a JS file on client side and that is publicly accessible. In that JS file, this master password is hard coded. This is not the actual password; it's a dummy information right now. What was the normal login flow? You have to enter the user ID, school code, and your password, and then you will get the OTP. And after entering the OTP, you would be able to access the dashboard. But using this master password, you don't have to enter the OTP. It got pre-filled and you can directly access this dashboard. And you can view and edit the marks of all the students and you can also make changes into that. Now coming to the second vulnerability, it was related to OTP bypass scenario. So generally क्या होता है कि आप अपना user ID डालते हो and then you receive your OTP on your phone number or on your email address. And then after entering the OTP, you would be able to access the dashboard. But what happens that Nisarg found a bypass to it. So he observed that कि जो server से response आ रहा है उसमें OTP by default embedded है. So he don't have to look into the mobile or email address for the OTP. He can directly grab that OTP either from the Bob suite और dev console के network tab में जाकर के वो OTP वहां से find out कर सकता है and that OTP he can enter and directly access the dashboard. Coming to the third vulnerability, it was related to IDOR plus weak password reset. So what he observed that कि application में एक password reset functionality है and in order to reset the password of any user, you have to enter the user ID and new password. The strange thing was that it was not even asking for the old password. So you can enter anyone's user ID and the new password and you would be able to take over the full account of that user. अगर इस वीडियो से आपकी नॉलेज थोड़ी सी भी बढ़ी हो तो इस पेज को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना. आई विल मेक मोर वीडियोस ऑन साइबर ब्रेकडाउन. विल डेफिनेटली मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन स्टे क्यूरियस, स्टे प्रोटेक्टेड.